Scientists calculated the exact color of the entire universe. It's not black, it's not blue, it's beige, like a latte. In 2002, astronomers at Johns Hopkins studied light from over 200,000 galaxies. They blended every wavelength together using the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. The result? A pale, creamy off-white that looked exactly like coffee with milk. They needed a name, so they asked the public. Options included Skyvery and Unibeige. The winner, picked by fans worldwide, Cosmic Latte. Here's the twist. That color is changing. Billions of years ago, the universe glowed blue from hot young stars. As stars age and die, the light shifts redder. One day, Cosmic Latte fades toward dusty red. So right now, we're living in the universe's exact beige moment, one specific point between blue and red. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.